This sale is in a church. It was on last night and then on today and tomorrow.
Okay.
Hopefully there's some stuff left.
Yeah.
That's the church. So, yeah, you can just turn in there probably. Or not really, kind of.
425 brush.
Shh. Okay.
Okay.
Church sale.
Wonder if Johanna's here.
I bet she is.
Chances are good.
Look for some wild hair.
And lots of it.
Did I come in the wrong door? I'm sorry, I used the wrong door. Yeah, did she come in the wrong door too? There you go.
I know, I didn't know. So I knew they would guide you in. Yeah, guide you into.
Pair of misfits.
Yeah. Well, I didn't know.
There's a big sign on the door.
There is?
Yeah.
Oh. I think these are leather. Neat, eh?
Oh yeah.
That's flower, Saskatchewan flower, I think, is a lily.
Yeah, tiger lily. I don't see Johanna.
No. And this is only like half the size it used to be. Like it used to be twice as big, but they have that wall up now. Looks like they've done some renovating or something. That's supposed to be lavender. It smells like mint.
It says peppermint on it, so I don't know why you think it's supposed to be lavender.
Oh, Fields Land. Oh, I thought it said lavender.
It's like...
Yeah.
That one says lavender.
Oh, maybe I don't. Yeah.
No.
Not good lavender.
Lavender. Lavender.
Yeah. These things are kind of neat that they have the jewelry hanging on.
Yeah, the little
I'm sure that's
antlers.
No.
That's what it looks like.
Yeah.
Antlers. You need a pepper grinder for my telecherry peppers.
Oh.
Even though I know nobody's been in there, I can't use someone else's pepper grinder.
I know.
Pepper mill. It's just dirty to me. I need a pepper mill.
What the? Where's she come from?
Yeah, I know. Just out of nowhere.
I know.
Like a hawk.
I know.
Spotted us from a mile away and swooped in for the kill. Salt and pepper shakers. You need salt.
Ah!
Wow. No.
You have good hearing.
No doubting.
Aw. It's cute. It's really hard to get them apart though to change that. That's reverse painted glass.
It is, yeah, you're right.
It's cute. It's a good price, but we can't have that.
Now, it's trying to be your blue jar from last weekend.
Yeah.
But
didn't quite make it.
Not quite.
Yeah. I think that one might be painted.
That one could be a repro.
Somebody oh. It's a real garage sale.
It's a real garage sale because they've got the Petro-Canada glasses.
Yep.
So back in the early 90s, one of our gas stations, Petro-Canada, used to sell those glasses, and
no, you got one for free if you bought if you bought so much gas. Yeah.
You see them at every garage sale.
Oh gosh. This is a really good idea though. I bet that generated a lot of...
For some reason, people really wanted those Petro-Canada glasses.
People like to get something for nothing. It doesn't matter what it is.
Pretty much, that's gotta be it.
Vintage garbage cans.
$1.
They're upside down, right? That's the lid.
Yeah.
I wonder if I could resell that. Yeah.
Like for $1.
What about that one? What's the other one doing? I don't
That
want.
is
That's
not-
paper towel.
Yeah.
Yeah, that doesn't belong with it. I don't think, is that the right bottom for that one? No.
No, it's not.
Yeah. So,
Now, which top do you like better? This is probably the top that goes with this
yeah, I don't think that one's too narrow for this one. Yeah. Put
one.
that back.
So this is
on
the only
top.
complete unit,
Yeah.
is this one.
Those are kind of different, eh?
Yeah.
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 Interesting.
What are they, garbage cans?
Yeah, that's exactly what
Oh,
they
that's the inner sleeve.
They're only
Oh, okay,
So-
great. So
Yeah.
missing the whole outer
Yeah.
portion of this one.
Yeah.
It's too bad.
Well-
do you want to grab that then? Is
I think so.
this sleeve in better condition?
I don't know. It's got garbage. Well, it works.
The same condition.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, well. Oh well, what can you do, eh?
You carry the bottom part there?
Okay. Carry around the garbage can with me. Are you trying to make it difficult on me here?
Always.
Yeah.
You know that.
Might as well.
Yeah. Keeps him on his toes. Well, this is what Darla got. So they're scented and you just hang them in your fake tree.
Sensicles.
And then your tree smells like a Christmas tree. I'm gonna see what they smell like. Pretty good.
It does smell really piney.
Do you like
Okay,
them?
sure. We'll try it.
Sure.
That's funny.
Yeah, and they're green, so you don't really see
I remember
them.
you've told me about
She
them
gave me
before.
one or two, maybe last year or the year before.
That way your fake tree smells like a real tree.
Yeah.
That's funny.
This.
Not good. It is coconutty smelling, and I know you don't like coconut.
No, not even a little bit.
I bought you some almond joys.
Good, you can
some
just
mounds.
put them right in the garbage. Here, just put them in here.
Okay.
Yep. Oh, is that a chip on there? Yeah, I think so. Or a
Just
sanded.
the lack of
Yeah, that's okay.
I don't
think
what do you
that's
call that? Glaze.
I don't think that's the right thing for that anyway. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, maybe it is. It's cool.
It's on there pretty well.
Yeah,
Were you thinking about maybe for resale again?
yeah. Not with the chip though.
No.
Oh, here's another one of those.
Oh yeah.
I'll give you two for the price of one. I'll give you two for the price of one.
Well,
The other one-
The other one's missing the outside of it. It's only got the insert. Or unless you've got another one. Oh. Okay. I think we'd do that.
Yeah, yeah.
Now what about this one?
I know. I don't know if it's the right color. I just don't know enough about that stuff. It's cool, but oh, it's got chip too.
Oh, it does. Okay. I was just about to say, I think you should take a chance on it, but yeah, I think you're right. It's got to be perfect.
It's got to be perfect.
It's got to be perfect.
If,
Yep.
If I'm going to take a chance on
Yeah.
it, then
Yeah. No, that's. So she's going to give us another garbage can just like this.
cool. Oh, excellent.
much.
Does it have the liner inside, or is that? Does it have little metal?
It does.
Oh yeah. Okay, great.
Perfect.
Yeah.
That's great.
They're too heavy for me to move around.
So
Thank you very much.
yeah, let's.
So what are the...
No, is this the bottom for that other top though? And then the liner for this one.
I wonder.
I think there's actually 3.
Might be right.
I think that one goes on here.
Pull that out.
This one just doesn't. Ooh. This one doesn't have a liner, I don't think.
This just goes on that.
Yeah.
And then this is the
Goes
liner
in
for that
here. Yeah, there we go.
You want all 3 of them for $2?
Sure.
I think we would do that.
We sure would. Yeah. There. And 50 cents for that guy.
Take me all 3 for 2.
We're hauling your garbage out.
Yeah.
And then we got a 50 cents as well. So
Yeah.
$2.50 altogether.
Thank you. Here, just, okay, throw out my bag. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we'll go out the correct door. This Can you carry 2 of them? Okay, we'll go out the right door. We didn't come in the right door, but
Proper door this time.
yeah, yes, thank you. Yeah, these bottoms are heavy, eh?
Yeah. Yeah, got a little weight to them.
Yeah.
I was just carrying it by this lip.
Oh, that would have been a better idea. These can probably go in the back.
Oh, thanks a lot.
Perfect,
Appreciate
thank
your
you.
help.
Thanks.
Have a good day. Okay.
$2 for all 3?
Yeah.
I mean,
So just lay them on their backs?
yeah, yeah. Pretty smart that oh, it's gonna rain. It's raining right now.
Yeah, it is.
That's fine. Yeah, it looks like they can be hung on the wall too.
Yeah, they've got mounts on the back. Like in a bathroom or something, right?
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
a washroom, you'd see these up on the wall.
Yeah.
Ow!
Did it bite you?
Yeah. Get my finger pinched between the case and the...
Yeah. Perfect.
Okay.
Go into the garbage business. Ow.
Yeah. We could open up a couple public restrooms.
Gross. No.
Okay.
Okay. This sale